Welcome to the Medpol Infosystem tutorial video lesson 1. The intended followers of this video tutorial are persons who may want to learn the login and logout procedures for the Medpol Infosystem and the structure of a typical page of the system. Let's begin to work with the Medpol Infosystem. First of all, to connect to the Medpol Infosystem, you should have an internet connection and a web browser, such as Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome. In this example, let's choose Firefox. On the browser navigation bar, write the Medpol Infosystem's URL. Then press Enter on your keyboard. A login form will appear. You should have been given a login name and a password to access the system. Users cannot access the system without these. So please write your login name in the form and your password. Then click on the Login button. You are now logged into the home page of the Medpol Infosystem. Let's take a look at the structure of a typical page of the system. At the top you will find the header banner, displaying the system's title and logos. The banner is the same for all system pages. On the left side of the page you can see the navigation portlet, which helps us navigate through the system's sections and subsections. The remaining portion of the page is occupied by the content body of the current page, displaying information and functionalities depending on the context. Through the navigation portlet you can access one of the 3 system sections. By clicking on the corresponding section name, each section allows you to interact with the data in the corresponding dataset. The compliance dataset, the sources dataset, and the monitoring dataset. For instance, to perform any action related to the monitoring dataset, click on the monitoring section of the navigation portlet. You are now in the monitoring data section. Note that wherever you are on the system, you can always return to the home page by clicking on the system logo on the header banner. When you want to momentarily suspend your work session or close it for good, you should log out from the system. To log out from the system, just click the Logout label you will find next to the username in the upper right-hand side of the browser page. Now you are logged out. To interact with the Medpol Infosystem pages and functionalities, you have to repeat the login procedure. So let's try a new login procedure. Okay, I don't remember my password. If you have forgotten your password, you can obtain a new one. Click on the link at the bottom. The system will ask you for your login name. After writing your login name, click on the button Start, Password Reset. The system will now send you an email with clear instructions on how to obtain a new password.